Welcome to this introduction to Decentralized Finance, or DeFi. This revolutionary technology is transforming how we think about money and financial services. Throughout this video, we'll explore how DeFi enables financial transactions without traditional intermediaries like banks and brokers. Get ready to discover a new world of financial possibilities that puts control directly in the hands of users. So what exactly is DeFi? Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a blockchain-based financial ecosystem that enables peer-to-peer transactions without traditional intermediaries. Instead of relying on banks, brokers, or exchanges, DeFi is built on blockchain technology, allowing direct peer-to-peer transactions. The beauty of DeFi is that it's accessible to anyone worldwide with an internet connection. No permission needed, no gatekeepers, just open access to financial services. To understand why DeFi matters, let's look at the problems with traditional finance. First, there's centralized control. Banks and institutions act as gatekeepers, deciding who gets access to financial services. Second, high fees. Multiple intermediaries all charge fees for processing transactions and services. Third, limited access. An astounding 1.7 billion people worldwide remain unbanked without access to basic financial services. And finally, slow processing. Cross-border transactions can take days to settle through traditional banking systems. These inefficiencies create barriers that DeFi aims to eliminate. DeFi solves these problems through four key characteristics. First, it's open and permissionless. Anyone with internet access can participate without approval from intermediaries. Second, smart contracts. These are self-executing programs that automatically enforce agreements when conditions are met, eliminating the need for human intervention. Third, transparency. All transactions are recorded on a public blockchain, ensuring full visibility. And fourth, it's fast and efficient. Transactions process in minutes, not days, with significantly lower fees than traditional systems. DeFi relies on two fundamental technologies. The first is blockchain, a distributed ledger technology that records all transactions across a network of computers. Blockchain provides immutable records that can't be altered and decentralized storage that no single entity controls. The second key component is smart contracts. These are self-executing programs that automatically enforce agreements when conditions are met. Smart contracts eliminate the need for intermediaries and enable trustless execution, meaning parties don't need to trust each other because the code guarantees the outcome. DeFi offers three core services that replicate and improve upon traditional finance. First is lending and borrowing. Users can lend their crypto assets to earn interest or borrow against collateral, all without banks. Second, decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. These platforms allow you to trade cryptocurrencies directly peer-to-peer without centralized platforms taking custody of your funds. Third is staking and yield farming. This lets you lock up tokens to support network operations and earn passive rewards, similar to earning interest in a savings account, but often with higher returns. Let's explore some real-world applications of DeFi. Cross-border payments allow you to send money internationally instantly with minimal fees, bypassing traditional banking delays and high transfer costs. Passive income generation enables users to earn interest on their crypto holdings through lending protocols and liquidity pools. Banking the unbanked is perhaps the most impactful use case, providing financial services to billions of people worldwide who lack access to traditional banking infrastructure. Finally, asset tokenization transforms real-world assets into digital tokens, enabling fractional ownership and easier trading of everything from real estate to artwork. DeFi offers compelling benefits that are reshaping finance. Full control means users maintain custody of their own assets through non-custodial wallets. You are your own bank. Global access ensures DeFi services are available 24/7 to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their location or financial status. Lower costs result from eliminating intermediaries and automating processes through smart contracts. And transparency means all transactions and smart contract code are publicly verifiable on the blockchain, creating an unprecedented level of openness in financial operations. However, DeFi isn't without risks and challenges. Smart contract bugs pose a serious threat. Coding errors can lead to exploits and loss of funds with no recourse or insurance. Market volatility is another concern. Crypto assets experience significant price fluctuations that can affect collateral values and trigger liquidations. Regulatory uncertainty creates challenges as governments worldwide are still determining how to regulate DeFi, creating legal ambiguity. Finally, complexity is a barrier to entry. There's a steep learning curve, and technical knowledge is required for safe participation. Understanding these risks is crucial before diving into DeFi. Let's wrap up with the key takeaways. DeFi is reshaping finance by removing intermediaries and democratizing access to financial services. It's powered by blockchain and smart contracts, enabling trustless, transparent operations that don't require you to trust any central authority. However, it's important to balance innovation with caution. Make sure you understand the risks before participating in any DeFi protocol. The DeFi revolution is transforming how we interact with money, creating a more open and inclusive financial system for everyone. As this technology matures, it has the potential to fundamentally change the global financial landscape.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.